Now that we've learned about how a hot air balloon works, let's put it all together and see how a hot air balloon, such as this one, lifts off, floats, and then returns to the ground. Gravity works on the hot air balloon, pulling it down. Newton's first law tells us that in order to start moving, we need an unbalanced force acting on the hot air balloon. While the hot air balloon is at rest on the ground, there is no net force acting on it. The weight force is balanced by the normal reaction force from the ground. Newton's second law tells us that to accelerate upwards, the balloon needs a net upwards force. This is provided by the buoyancy force. Archimedes' principle tells us that the upwards force is equal to the weight of the substance displaced. In this case, we are displacing dense cold air with less dense hot air inside the balloon. We could work out the density of the hot air using the ideal gas law, PV is equal to nRT. As the air inside the balloon heats up, it becomes less dense. Molecules move out of the balloon and the balloon begins to rise into the air. While the weight force is less than the buoyancy force, the balloon accelerates upwards. The rate of acceleration can be controlled by controlling the temperature of the air inside the balloon. To bring the balloon back down to the ground, the upwards buoyancy force needs to be less than the downwards weight force. Next time you see a hot air balloon, have a think about all the physics making it work.